Lieutenant, some news. A message came through from a small commando network. It's not a full-blown resistance like we hoped, but at least there are people alive down there still fighting. The Vanguard was close enough for comms to work, so I patched their leader through. Name's Riker. I expect to hear how it went from Admiral Moore any time. By the way, Suyin's doing better. She's still working through some things, but she's agreed to put her skills to use for us. You should say hello.
Oh, hi. Still getting used to so many people. I, spent a long time by myself, you know.
Totally understand. I came by because Commander Barclay said that you were helping us.
Yeah. The commander let me get back to doing what I used to do. Engineering. I'm prepping a lab that can provide upgrades to your troops. Take a look. Since you're still here, why don't you pick one for me to work on?
This is great. I'm sure Commander Barclay told you, we're dealing with dead zones that are threatening all life across the planet. The progress you're making here will help us fight back.
Yeah, well, good.
Quick update. The Admiral made a deal with that commando leader, Riker. He's offering satellite access in exchange for a ticket off-world and credits to spend when he gets to Faraway. You believe that? Despite everything, some people are still in it for themselves. Anyway, we're on our way to meet this guy and his dog soldiers.
I'll get prepped.
Oh, and fleet techs are still going through that data from Sigma Polar. We know the key was transported to a secure location, but so far that's all we got. Search continues. That's all for now.
Hey, Mar. Dr. Tara Fletcher. Glad to see you're all set up.
Yeah, all that effort took convincing the brass to let a xenoarchaeologist tag along. Now we'll see if I can earn my keep. No pressure, huh?
I still remember the looks on everyone's faces when you and your dad presented to Fleet Command, telling them Infernals had been to Earth 7,000 years ago.
Oh, they thought we were flat out nuts. It took every bit of evidence we had to win them over, and honestly, I think they're still skeptical. On the bright side, Infernals left plenty of traces if you know where to look. Now with all of my dad's research at my disposal, I should be able to provide helpful insights.
Any thoughts on these dead zones?
Yeah, plenty. I'm working on a presentation, but the gist is this. Dad's research points to the fact that Infernals drain life and use that life energy as a kind of fuel for their magic.
So they're bleeding Earth dry to power magic. Still doesn't explain why they're also terraforming, but it's a start. Thank you.
I'm here when you need me.
Welcome back, Lieutenant. A group of Resistance fighters has uploaded mission coordinates deep within a desolate region known as the New Alaskan Desert, a wasteland of ash and sand. The target is an old military base overrun with infernal forces. Inside, you'll find communication towers that can be linked with aging military satellites. If successful, this has the potential to provide Fleet Command with critical intelligence about the strength and positioning of infernal forces on a global basis. Resistance forces have moved in ahead of us, but are keeping a low profile to avoid attracting infernal attention. Your mission is to establish a base of operations, make contact with the Resistance forces within the ruins, and then activate all of the comms towers. As soon as your presence is known, the Infernals will respond harshly. So move quickly and strike fast. Commander Riker, this is Warhawk's Dagger Lead. Do you copy?
We're getting pounded here. Hurry the f*** up!
He should have waited for us. We'll need to get in there, but first...
Secure the base. I'm on it. Give me the rundown. Light steps. No place to hide. Time to raise hell. I will make them pay. Quick time. Their history. No place to hide. Time to raise hell.
Awaiting instruction.
Raptor 1, forward base secure.
What next?
We're heading in. Lieutenant, want to do
Making
the
a
honors?
beeline. Will do. Activating charges. Fire in the hole! Heading there now.
Infernals will know we're here. Target locations pinned in our HUDs. Let's move.
Systems nominal. Construction commencing.
I'm all prepped. Their history. I will make them pay. Time to raise hell. Their history. No place to hide. On their heels. On their heels. On their heels. Why wait?
Construction complete.
You command. Construction commencing. Processing. How may I serve? Acknowledged.
Not enough luminite.
Awaiting further orders. What next?
Construction
I will
complete.
make them pay.
Allies
Getting our
under
asses
attack.
kicked!
Their history. Time to raise hell.
Sensors are spotty, but I'm showing increased activity. Prepare for incoming.
Primed and ready.
Not enough luminite.
I'm all prepped.
Diaz for the enemy.
Not enough luminite.
Give me the rundown. I will make them pay. No place to hide. On their heels.
Ready to fight.
There's bound to be more of these defensive structures scattered throughout the city. They could be real handy if we get them fixed.
What's the best way to repair them?
Use a servo, or scavenge for spare parts.
Their history. No place to hide. I need a path. Time to raise hell. Awaiting further orders.
Allies
Need help here!
The end is here. Heading there now. Good time. Give me the rundown. I will make them pay. Why wait?
Awaiting instructions. Construction commencing.
Not enough
Awaiting further
luminite.
orders. No place to hide. All prepped. What next? Their history. Finding a path.
Our forces are under attack.
All or nothing. No half measures. Making a beeline.
About time you showed up.
The words you're looking for are thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Now let's run through it. I've got 3 comm towers to get to and input manual overrides, which means we're gonna need an escort. Think you can manage?
Oh, absolutely. We'll scatter some rose petals too.
All right. We'll cover you. Ready when you are.
We'll get prepped, ASAP.
I will make them pay.
Systems nominal.
Not enough luminite.
What next? Awaiting further orders. No place to hide. Give me the rundown.
Okay, Warhawks. We're good to go.
Their history.
All set here.
To raise hell.
Dog soldiers, move out!
On their heels.
Battle awaits!
Primed and ready.
I'm all prepped. Awaiting further orders. Why wait? What next? On their heels.
Construction commencing. Construction commencing. Processing.
I'm all prepped. Light steps. I will make them pay. Time to raise hell. Making a beeline. No place to hide. Finding a path. Heading there now.
Construction complete.
Awaiting further orders.
Here's the first tower. You watch our 6 while we hack in.
On their heels.
Warhawks, we're on defense. Look alive.
Allies are under attack. Not our forces are under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Time to raise hell. On their heels.
You have enemies incoming.
Give me the rundown.
Still working on this override.
Further orders. On their heels.
Allies
No place
are
to
under
hide.
attack.
I'm all prepped. On their heels. I will make them pay. No place to hide. What next? Their history.
Upgrade complete.
I will make them pay.
Override complete. Let's move out to Site 2.
I'm all prepped. Time to raise hell. Give me the rundown. What next? I will make them pay. Their history. No place to hide. Awaiting further orders. Time to raise hell. I'm all prepped. I will make them pay. Give me the rundown. On their heels.
Our forces are under attack.
What next? Quick time. Awaiting further orders. Their history. Time. No place to hide. Their history.
Here's the second site. Keep your eyes peeled, Warhawks.
Our forces are under attack.
I'm all prepped.
Our forces are under attack.
I am your personal healthcare companion.
Our forces are under
Give me the
attack.
rundown.
Knock 'em back!
More energy
What
required.
next? On their heels.
More infernals are on the way.
Hack's still in progress. Hang tight.
Our forces are under attack.
Command.
Awaiting further orders. I'm all prepped. I will make them pay.
Insufficient supply. Our forces are under attack.
Construction commencing.
They're gonna flank us! Light them up!
No place to hide. On their heels. Why wait?
Insufficient supply.
Second override complete. Eyes on the prize. One more to go.
What seems to be the trouble?
Quick time. Finding a path.
Construction complete.
Give me the rundown.
Nano here. Time to save lives.
Awaiting further orders. On their heels. Light steps. Their history.
Let the healing begin.
I will make them pay. No place to hide. Making a beeline. Time to raise hell.
Are you in distress?
I'm all prepped. What next? I'm all prepped. On their heels. What next? I will make them. No place to hide.
Let's hurry. Got a bad feeling.
Our forces are under attack.
Awaiting further orders. Heading there now.
How may I serve?
Our forces are under attack.
Give me the rundown. Quick time.
Awaiting instructions. Acknowledge.
You have enemies incoming.
Feels like it's taken forever.
Making a beeline.
Forces are under attack. Our forces
I'm all
are under attack.
Their history. Light steps. Awaiting further orders.
Done!
Sky's too crowded to evac from here.
Our base
And let's
is
stop
under
talking
attack.
and go!
Warhawks, push for the southern base.
No place to hide. I will make them pay.
Our base is under attack.
Time to raise hell. I will make them pay.
Our base is under attack.
Crush them, or answer to me.
The creepy bastard's Malok, leader of the Red Right Hand. I've had run-ins with him before.
Malok.
There's no use trying to fight him. We'll need to clear
Our
out.
base is under attack. Allied.
None survive.
The best you can do is slow Malok down.
Go on and beg.
Keep moving while he's healing.
Our base is under attack.
Their history.
Our base is under attack.
Time to raise hell.
I can taste your fear.
Give me the rundown. Heading there now.
Our base is under attack. Our forces are under attack.
On their heels.
Scurry, insects.
Insufficient supply. Our forces
Systems
are under
online.
attack.
Construction commencing.
I'm all prepped. Finding a path.
Scream for me.
Making a beeline. I will wait for you. Time to
Forces
raise
are
hell.
under attack.
Lights out.
Our base is under attack.
They're right on our asses. Go!
The red right hand will not be denied. Let the hunt begin.